Winter growing, building a lean-to greenhouse for winter and spring growing. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. So this is my raised bed over here, and I'm gonna build a lean-to greenhouse on this raised bed so that way I can be able to continue to grow in the winter and start growing early in the spring. So we're gonna make some greenhouse frame on top of the raised bed, and then we're gonna be able to cover it with plastic. So here I'm just cutting the 2x4s. I'm using 2x4s for the main frame. So I'm just cutting the 2x4s to the height that I want, and then I'm gonna be able to put the frames together. My goal here for right now is to plant some cold resistant crops like spinach and onions and other herbs that can survive the cold temperature even in the winter. So what we're gonna do is just put some 2x4s at the end like that on the two ends, and then the two ends in the front and the two ends in the back. The back is going to be a little bit higher than the front. That gives it a sloping effect, and then we're going to be able to cover it once the frame is done. So we cut some of the 2x4s already. We're going to cut a few more, but you can see in here I took out all the vegetables that have been growing throughout the summer and completed the frame. And so now we're just gonna do the top frame of the raised bed. So now I'm gonna put a 2x4 at the end of the raised bed over here, and this 2x4 is, like I said before, it's gonna be a little bit longer than the front, which will give it a sloping effect for any rain, snow, and everything during the winter. So just put a couple of screws. I'm using 3-inch screws on the drill bit over here to just make sure that the it's secured back here for this first one, and I'm doing the same size 2x4 on the other end of the raised bed. Let me know in the comments below what you're gonna be growing in the winter, if you're planning to grow in the winter, and the kind of stuff that you like to grow in the winter. So I had a little I had to pre-drill the holes just not to split the wood. So the hole is pre-drilled. Now I'm just gonna put in the screws, and this one will be done, and then we'll move on to the next one, which is the other same size 2x4 that I'm using. So on the frame is 2x4. On the top I'm gonna use something else. So this is the other one. We're just gonna do the same thing, and then in the front you can see this one is a lot shorter than the other one. If you want the dimensions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll give you the dimensions. But we have the frames now. Now I'm just gonna put a 2x4, or you can use a 2x2 on the top. That will just give it a little bit of support for the top that we're gonna put on top. So the front one is done. So now we put another small slanted. I just cut them, cut the tips to match the top of the and the bottom of the frame, and so just screw them together, and it gives it a nice triangle shape. So what we're gonna do next is do this other side, and then I'm thinking of putting maybe 1 or 2 2x2s on across, just to provide a little bit more support, because when it snows, at least the snow doesn't push the top into the grow bed. So I'm putting 1 2x4 on top here that will provide much needed support. Then I'm gonna put another one in the middle that would hold the frame all together and provide good support for the plastic. So I'm just calculating the middle of the distance between the two of them, and that's where I'm gonna put my 2x2. So same thing, doing the same thing, just making a little bit of support for the, so that it can easily hold, since I don't have anybody to hold the other piece of. Just provided a little bit of support at the bottom, and then once it's screwed in, I can just make sure that at least it's secured on both sides. So here we go. I think the frame is all done. It's nice, easy frame to do. It still provides a lot of light for to go through the plastic, and also provide some support for any if we have a lot of snow, and it's gonna provide some support. If you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. So what I just did was I covered it up with plastic. I just used a big 6mm plastic. I'll see if I can put a link to some of this in the description. I used a 6mm plastic to cover the whole thing, front to back, and you can see the humidity in there, even though it's in the middle of the winter. So this is a month later, in the middle of January, and you can see this is what I'm getting from the greenhouse, right, from this little mini greenhouse right now. I'm able to harvest some herbs and some spinach and onions and other stuff, which is really great. I don't have to buy it, so it's really great for something like this. You can use it year round. Come spring, I'm gonna be able to start some of my plants a lot earlier, and fill up the rest of the raised bed with other items that are gonna provide much better result for me. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the video, what you think about the raised beds. Let me know in the comments below. So I just used some 2x4s to hold the plastic in the back so that it doesn't slide down. So but everything looks great. I'm just gonna harvest a few of these onions and vegetables, use them right now, and can't wait for the second harvest, and can't wait for spring so that I can start growing in this mini greenhouse. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Any suggestion, tips, or if you love the video, smash the like button. Also, if you want detailed plans on what I did, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to see if I can put it together for you guys. But it's really nice. Okay, just harvesting the last spinach that I have over here. I'm just gonna use the spinach, and that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below. If you like the video, share the video with somebody that might like the video, and if you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.